Welcome to the fastest way to clone any web page into clean HTML/CSS. First, install the Go Full Page Screen Capture extension, link in the description, and grab a full page screenshot of your target. Then, log in or sign up at mantiscode.com. Upload your capture and hit convert to generate your code. Download it as an HTML file or copy it directly. Finally, paste the result into liveweave.com, strip out any comments, tweak as needed, and voila! Your clone is over 95% accurate, fully mobile responsive, and ready to supercharge your web development.